Hello, this is Review Lab. The vacuum cleaner market is heating up. Dyson has announced significant layoffs due to declining sales, primarily because cost-effective vacuum cleaners have caught up in performance. However, many still wonder how much difference there is between high-end and budget-friendly vacuum cleaners. Today, we'll objectively compare high-end and cost-effective models based on three crucial factors: weight, suction power, and maintenance. First, weight. Is lighter always better? Since vacuum cleaners are frequently used appliances, a lighter weight reduces wrist strain. Let's compare the weights of some major products. When cleaning floors, it's inevitable to use the stick attachment, which can strain the wrist. Lighter models are advantageous, but those weighing over 6.6 lbs may be uncomfortable for extended use. According to the specifications, the Shark IZ462H is the lightest, while the Dyson V15 is the heaviest. In conclusion, lighter vacuum cleaners are more user-friendly. However, if they're too light, they might have reduced suction power and battery capacity. Therefore, balancing weight and performance is crucial. Let's continue to find the right product by examining the next factors. Second, suction power. Are high-end products significantly superior? Suction power, measured in watts or air watts, is a key determinant of a vacuum cleaner's performance. Let's compare the suction power of major products. The Dyson V15 boasts the highest suction power at 240 air watts, with Samsung and LG also performing well above 200 air watts. Models priced under $500 often don't exceed 200 air watts. For floor dust removal, 150 air watts is generally sufficient, but for carpets and bedding, over 200 air watts is preferable. In conclusion, high-end products still lead in suction power. However, for general floor cleaning, models with 170-200 air watts offer adequate performance. Therefore, it's recommended to choose products with suction power exceeding 200 air watts. Third, maintenance. Are dustbin emptying and filter management convenient? User satisfaction with vacuum cleaners heavily depends on the ease of maintenance, especially features like automatic dustbin emptying, filter washability, and the cost of consumables. Let's compare the automatic dustbin emptying features of major products. Dyson and Dreamlac automatic dustbin emptying features. Samsung, LG, Shark, and Enek offer this function, making maintenance more convenient. While a larger dustbin capacity means less frequent emptying, an automatic emptying feature can offset a smaller capacity. Filter washability and consumable costs comparison. Dyson V15, washable filter, replacement costs around $50. Samsung Bespoke Jet, washable filter, replacement cost approximately $30. LG Corgero AE9S, washable filter, replacement cost about $30. Shark IZ462H, washable filter, replacement costs are relatively affordable. Dream and Enek, washable filters, replacement costs are relatively affordable. Products with automatic dustbin emptying are more convenient for maintenance. Washable filters also reduce maintenance costs. However, Dyson's higher filter replacement cost and lack of automatic dustbin emptying are notable drawbacks. Final summary. Which vacuum cleaner should you choose? First, weight. Lighter vacuum cleaners reduce wrist strain and are easier to use. However, if they are too light, they may have lower suction power and battery capacity. Second, suction power. High-end models, Dyson, Samsung, LG, have significantly stronger suction power. However, for general floor cleaning, budget-friendly models can still deliver sufficient performance. If you need strong suction for carpets, bedding, or cars, choosing a model with 200 air watts or more is recommended. Third, maintenance. Models with automatic dustbin emptying are much more convenient for maintenance. Washable filters can reduce long-term costs. Dyson lacks an automatic dustbin emptying function and has relatively high filter replacement costs. Conclusion. Looking for general floor cleaning at a budget-friendly price? Models in the $200-400 range, Shark, Dream, Enek, offer good value. Need strong suction power? Choose a premium model, $600-900 range, Dyson, Samsung, LG. Want the easiest maintenance? Consider Samsung, LG, Shark, or Enek, which feature automatic dustbin emptying. Today, we compared vacuum cleaners based on three key factors to help you make an informed decision. We hope this video helped you find the best vacuum cleaner for your lifestyle. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.